here. All right, so open your mouth slightly.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
Hi Haley, how you doing today?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. Here's Mom over here. How you doing, Mom?
Good.
Good. All right, so Haley's here today. We're going to talk about some back pain and neck pain. You just cracked your own neck. Tell me, do you do that a lot?
Yeah, just the other day I did it, like I just go like that and it was like 7 different cracks.
7 cracks. Okay, do you do it more than once or just once?
Yeah, I do it like all the time.
Okay, like 5 times a day or 20 times a day?
Probably like 3 or 5, like different times a day. Like my neck feels like really tense and like a lot of pressure.
Okay.
Everything.
Do you have headaches too?
Sometimes.
Okay. Sometimes like once a week or once a month?
Like once or twice a month.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so tell me about your back pain too, in between your shoulders, lower back, hips.
It's probably like more down here, like lower back.
Do you crack any other parts of your body? You crack your neck, you crack your low back. Can you crack the
my
mid?
knuckles and my thumbs and my toes, and I go like this and I can crack like my elbow sometimes, and I think that's it.
Okay, so I just want to understand this. So you crack every bone, almost every bone and joint in your body, but you're nervous for me to do it today.
Yeah.
All right, that's perfectly okay because this is a new kind of medicine that you've never experienced before. So let's start off with an exam. Let me see what your spine says, and we'll go. Lean back as you blow it out. Good. Keep coming down. All the way down. And upper leg, and straighten out your bottom leg. That's good. See you back. All right, so what I'm going to do is kind of bring your hips down like this, and then we're going to give a little push like that, okay? Okay, so take another deep breath in here, and out. Good, let your shoulder relax. Good, we're just going to bring this down. Gentle. Good, lay on your back. Just take another deep breath in. Out through your mouth. Good, nice and gentle. Good, lay on your back. Is that tender?
A little bit. The left. Left.
All right, so we're going to do the left side first. And we're just going to bring this over to the side like this, right here, and then right from here we'll give a little push, okay?
Okay.
All right, take a nice soft breath in through your nose, not through your mouth.
Whoa.
All right. So now we're going to do the right side, okay?
Okay.
Same thing, I'm just going to kind of bring it over like this, and then we'll give it a little push like that, okay?
Okay.
Good, very gentle here. We're going to do another one here. So I'm going to lift your head like this, and we're going to kind of bring it out like this, and then just give a little pull, okay?
Okay.
All right, close your eyes. Gentle. Breathe through your nose and out.
Whoa.
I'm going to adjust your right ankle first. What I'm going to do is just kind of pull you this way and give a little pull like that, okay? All right, soft breath in and out.
That was cool.
So same thing, soft breath in and out. It doesn't feel like that, does it, when you crack your own ankles?
No.
See, when you crack your own ankles and you do that, when you turn it like this, and it goes snap, snap, snap. What's happening is you're taking this tendon and you're just snapping it over the bone again and again and again. Right? What I literally just did was I took a bone that was stuck in the wrong position and I unstuck it. This is a percussion instrument. And so what it does is it basically is like, these are like tiny little adjustments. And so it just kind of shakes things up, breaks up scar tissue at adhesions. But then I can also use it for a soft tissue manipulation, and I come over the quadricep tendons. And this loosens up the quadriceps grip on the kneecap. Then I'm going to come down the anterior tibialis muscle as well. This just kind of helps things get loosened up. Just relax, you're good. Good breath. Good. All right, let's do this. Bring your chin to your chest. Okay, lean forward just a little bit. I'm going to reach around the front, okay, and hold on to your elbow, okay? Okay, so just kind of like let your shoulder be loosey-goosey here. So we're going to give this a little pull. Good breath there and out. Good. Good. Did you feel that?
Kind of.
Yeah, it was like way back here. It like kind of felt crunchy a little bit. It's perfect. And close. Open. Close. Open. Close. So let's see, push your jaw against my hand to the right. No, hold on, ready? Just your jaw. Don't move to, yeah. Oh my god, you got a super strong jaw. It's impressive. Should talk back a lot. Alright, so what the jaw adjustment is I kind of just come from right here, and then we'll just push a little bit like that, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so let your shoulders relax and let your jaw relax as much as you can. Alright, slightly open your jaw, close your eyes, and let your neck relax. Loosey goosey, let your loose there. How's that pressure, okay?
Yeah.
Another soft breath in through your nose, all the way as far as you can go. Good, and let your shoulders relax. And breathe it out. Let it go. Good. Okay, breathe softly through your nose. Turn your head so you're facing straight that way. Good. Okay, nice, gentle here. Let this go. Here, lift up your head. Let me clear your hair here. Okay, now let that relax. Let your... All right, so we need to come over and do this side here second, but we're gonna do the... Okay, do you feel this down here? Do you feel this like little bubble underneath my finger?
Yeah.
This is that C5, C6 on the left. This is the main place in your spine that really needs to get adjusted. Okay, kind of sink in here. Let your shoulders relax. Good, we're gonna just bring this down here like this, nice and gentle. One more. Perfect.
No.
Okay. Okay, one on the right side now. Same thing. Now let your head drop into my hands. Let your head and shoulders. Good, just like that. Let it keep dropping. Breathe. Okay, do you remember this one where I kind of lift your head up like this? Oh, did you feel that right there?
Yeah.
Okay, that was good. Same thing. That was my elbow.
Whoa.
Okay, I'm going to adjust your talus here, okay? Good. Did you feel that? There we go. Whoa, it's like a whole different person when you sit like that. Okay, relax your shoulders there. Good. Okay, bring your chin to your chest and lean forward just slightly. We're gonna bring this up like this. I'm gonna reach around the front, hold on to your elbow. Good, loosey-goosey, let this go. Good. Hold, don't let me pull it apart. Here, put your other arm down. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay, turn this over. Hold. Hold. Sure? Sure it was this one?
I think.
Okay, squeeze. Pretty good. Okay, relax. Squeeze. 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 Good. Relax. Squeeze. Okay, relax. Squeeze.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.